3, 2, 1.
Yung kalulutin na yung bahay lang, yung maliit. Pero pag sa ilalim yan.
Okay, say something, Matthew.
Parkside Farm. We can pick fruits.
Yeah, just go there. We're going to show.
Nag-ano na sila, nagbabayad. Hindi parang...
I don't know where you're going.
Pwede na yung beetroot, green onion, per kilogram.
Okay. Okay. We're waiting for Daddy. We're here inside Parkside Farm.
We put fruits first.
Dagang.
Anong strawberry? Yung raspberry naman. Strawberry.
Green onion. Ano yan? Then ample. Lapsberry is going up. So, ano yung banda dyan? Nakaganon. Let's go. Pwede pa naman. Kami na ito. Iniwan lang? Pwede. Wala dito. Sigurado ako. Let's go find out. No eating in the field. Ay, ito mas maganda. Parang mas madami dito.
Strawberry yun.
Ano ayaw niyo dito? Is it? Come on.
There.
Yeah, you pick the
Only the ripe one, the ripe one.
red one, fully big and ripe.
Okay. Ito na nga eh, nag-video na nga eh.
Oh, video.
Look what's now.
Picture. Mag-picture ka din.
Okay guys, dito na kami, nag-pick up ng... Ano ba yung tawag na? Raspberry ba ito eh?
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Ang dami niya actually.
Oh, this is Matthew picking some raspberries. How do you find it, Matthew? Do you like it? Do you enjoy? Yeah. Matthew? Can I see your bag? Oh! Hmm?
Ang dami yun.
This is what I pick.
Mom, and I even got a
Come on. Come on, eat it. Come on, eat it. Can you eat it? Oh, yummy.
Very good. That's vitamin C.
yummy.
Yeah. Come on, you need to bite it, Kuya.
Just eat a bit.
Yeah, just a little bit. I'm so proud. Oh, look at you. You're eating. Well done.
Because you don't want to waste.
Wala man pala. Pa ngayon na season. Favorite kong strawberry, wala.
Ah, yeah.
Mga gulay mo yun.
Ha? Saka kamatis. And fried isda. Hi! Oh, you look poggy. You look poggy, kuya. And also, Matthew, you look poggy. Wow.
My feet hurt also. I feel like they're really
Come on, pick onion, Matthew. Give it to me.
I want to stick some onion. Yeah, you want to stick onion?
Pick onion, kuya. Pick. Come on.
Yes, I got two. I got two. Daddy.
Come on. Only one, Matthew. Come on, kuya. Pick it up.
Wait.
How much you give it to me?
I dropped it.
Don't just drop it there. You get the good one.
Onion.
Sorry?
Are we going to take these home?
Yeah.
Hold, mommy. Daddy. Okay.
Yeah.
Daddy, hold these.
Ya baklos. Ado. Ado na alam. Awan? Naibusin. So, this is beans. Oh, nandito kami ngayon. We're picking beans. Ay, nandiyan sa harap mo, baklos. Ha? It's not a lot. Walang bunga ang beans. Ubus na.
Remnants na lang to. This one, no. That one.
Tadeus! Come on, pick it.
Did you see that? No. That one there. This one.
Pick it, Tadeus. Tadeus!
And that one there. Did you see that? On your feet.
Hey, Mom.
No. That one. This one. Look.
Yeah, pick that one.
Get that one.
Hindi pala.
Iwanan mo yung mga lagi mo. Matthew, see?
Soon, Mom. No, sure.
There.
On this one. Oh, yeah, it's a bit dry.
Go and check others.
Okay.
Kana ah. Marami ka na ko ha?
Okay na to.
Upo nga muna. Gusto pa niyang magkuha kaya hinayaan ko lang.
Sino?
Matthew. Nag-enjoy siya. Here, Dad. Bag mo, ilagay mo lang dyan oh.
Tago sila. Consumable ano nila kasi di ba sinasayang lang eh. Alam mo yun?
Yeah. I'm resting in the shade, waiting for them to finish. Pick more. Pick more.
Picking more people.
Babayaran ba natin ito, be?
Yeah.
This is a super juicy one.
Say something, guys.
Yeah, I really like this raspberry.
Tumalon ka, Mylene. Tumalon ka, para tumangkod ka.